Good morning, everyone. So who wants to know what's in this bag? So in my Color Street bag, this is what I carry with me. I have Color Street nail prep pads. I have a few brochures to hand out. I also have a Color Street nail buffer. I also have some wooden sticks to peel off the extra nail polish strips from your cuticles or off your nail. I have a nail filer. If I can open it. Sorry guys. Just a black, regular Color Street nail filer. Then, these are the, oh, I forgot. I have mini nail filers to give out as well. They come in all different pretty colors. And what I'm wearing on my nails is Underground Magic, which I'm in love with. And now I'm going to show you some sets that I have. I have Bare Chrome Acne. Feeling Marvelous. What Are You Up To? Fashion Prager. Be You. How Sweet It Is. It's a pedicure set. That's what I got in my starter kit when I became a stylist. Greeking Out. Havana Honey. Caribbean Coral, perfect for the Caribbean islands. But we can't go anywhere, can't travel, but that'd be perfect for a cruise or a trip to anywhere. Capitol Hill. Day by Day, an awareness shade, which I really love. Daisy Me Rollin', this is perfect for your little one. How's It Growing? It's a really cute clear nail art design. And lastly, Make a Splash. That's what I have in my Color Street bag. This is what I take with me in my bag wherever I go. And I just show people the brochures and the samples and everything that you get in a Color Street package. So what you get in the Color Street package is one nail prep pad, which is this. Right here, one of these in this package, and one of these in this package. And then you get 16 nail strips, enough for all your fingers and all your toes as well. You have a good Sunday. I'll see you guys later. Bye.